Adding branding to your model, in a form of decal, is a straightforward process. Begin by simply dragging and dropping the image onto the canvas to import it. Briefly adjust its scale and location. Ensure that the face snapping feature is turned on, which can be verified by right-clicking on the canvas. Now, resize the decal to the desired scale. To apply it to an object, use the gizmo pivot point and drag it onto an object. The image will be automatically applied to the object's surface, just like a real sticker. But you can also freely adjust its size, rotation, and position. Let's add another decal to the scene, as these details really enhance the sense of realism. Follow the same process as before by adding it, then adjusting the position and rotation. This image will be for the USB cable. Keep in mind that images are objects, allowing you to modify their material settings. Switch the color setting from texture to solid, or completely change it. Additionally, you can fine-tune the roughness and metalness in material settings. Moving on to the manufacturing label, drag and drop it into the scene. This image is in SVG format, offering various customization options such as texture size, segments, offset, and even extrusion. Before applying it to an object, you'll need to convert it to a plane. Once converted, proceed to apply it to the object. Lastly, let's add a label for the sensor by following the same process. With these steps, you can seamlessly and effectively incorporate branding into your models, elevating their visual appeal and professional quality. Stay tuned for the next video where we will fine-tune the scene lighting and bake the object light maps.